Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Southwest style bistro steaks. These are from M&M Meats. I did a review of their citrus one and I really liked it, so I got this one. And we'll do a quick review and see how it actually tests, how it tastes compared to the citrus one. So there's the ingredients. So it does contain soy, as you can see that. There's the nutrient panel, and let's open this up. Okay, these are what the steaks look like. They're not really big at all. So here's my size of my hand. See that? Really small. So, alright guys, I'm going to cook in the air fryer and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the steak. So I'm going to cut off a piece. I'll be right back. There we go. Do a quick taste test. It's very tender. Taste-wise, it has more of like a peppercorn taste to it. But I actually like the citrus one better. If I had to choose between one or the other, citrus one has just more flavor, more yeah, it just has more flavor to it. This is good, but it has more of a like a peppercorn regular sort of steak to it. So, but still good. Yeah, but my preferred would be the citrus one. All right, guys, see you in more videos.